Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE N30, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection on this device. Start by going into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and go into System. Then Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and your currently used one, in my case keyboard. Over here, go into Text Correction, scroll down and click on the switcher next to Autocorrection. As you can see, now Autocorrection is turned off, but you can always turn it on by tapping at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!